So this happened like 2 months ago when I was taking an international flight. In the immigration section, ACR card holders need to pay 3,880 pesos whenever we travel international. So I took the exact amount because they don't return the change, and then 500 extra just to be safe. So I go to the immigration section, I pay the 3,880, and the guy sitting there asked me to pay 4,880 as the fee has increased. I looked at the board there, it still said 3,880. When I asked him to clarify, he said that it's not updated yet and I'd still need to pay 4,880. I had only 500 extra. I borrowed it from my friend and then I paid him 4,080. Once I paid and I got the receipt, I went ahead to the security check and everything was done. But I had like a gut feeling and I just looked at the receipt and I counted the numbers. It added up to 3,880. What I do, I just walk back from the security check. The officers stop me there. They're like, hey, you can't go back. And also I told them, here, keep my passport. I'm going to go to the immigrations person because the person scammed me. Looking at how angry I was, they let me go. He saw me walking towards him from a distance and he actually went inside and sent his other colleague to sit there. So when I asked the other guy about, see, it adds up only to 3,880, but your other colleague took 4,880 and can you explain what happened here, etc. So he was like, ma'am, can you please calculate again? Okay, I calculated in front of him and showed it to him. What he did, he called his colleague who scammed me and then he asked him, hey, what happened? So maybe that guy said, return the money to her or whatever. This guy, even without calculating or, like rechecking, he just tried to give me back the 1,000 pesos. And I asked him, hey, what happened? Can you please explain why did you take 1,000 extra? I mean, this is the least I expect from the immigrations officer. So especially foreigners, please be careful, at the airport and just like everywhere.